Hi students, this is the part 2 of the lesson on the rules of the road written by A.G. Gardiner. So already I completed the first part. Now I am going to read the second part. Your textbook page number 178. Third paragraph. Liberty is not a personal affair only, but a social contract. So contract means a commitment. It is an accommodation of interest in matters which do not touch anybody else's liberty. Of course, I may be as free as I like. So what is that here? So the liberty is not a personal affair only, but a social contract. So if we want to live with the full freedom, full liberty, our liberty should not affect others. So that is the commitment. That is the main commitment of the liberty. So in matters which do not touch anybody else's liberty, of course, I may be as free as I like. So my liberty should not affect others. That is, if I choose to go down the road in a dressing gown, who shall say me nay means no? Suppose I go in my night dress on the road, no one is saying the word no like this, because that is my personal liberty. Understand? It is not affecting others. You have liberty to laugh at me. So, but what happened? You can laugh at me, but I have liberty to be indifferent to you. Suppose sometimes you are laughing. What happened? I am not worrying about you. So that is. And if I have a fancy for dyeing my hair, or waxing my moustache, or wearing an outcoat or sandals, or going to bed late, or getting up early, I shall follow my fancy and ask no man's permission. So this type of activities, coloring hair and then coloring moustache, or dressing something, or wearing sandal, or going to bed early or late like this. So we should not ask anybody's permission, because that is our personal. I shall not inquiry of you whether I may eat mustard with my mutton, and you will not ask me whether you may follow this religion or that. Yes, like me, you can do also. So you don't ask anybody's any other person to follow this religion or that religion, eating with the mustard or not like this. That is our personal liberty. So we should not ask any person whether you may prefer Ella Wheeler Wilcox to Wordsworth or Chopin to Sandy. That is, suppose you want to drink this or that, or you want to follow this author or that, that is your choice. You don't ask anybody else. In all this and a thousand other details, you and I please ourselves and has no one else. So like this, so we can mention thousand details like this, because that is not affecting others. We have a whole kingdom in which we rule alone, can do what we choose, be wise or ridiculous, harsh or easy, conventional or old. So whatever it is, we decide one thing, we are the king for it. So we don't ask anybody else permission. But here, maybe ridiculous or harsh or easy or conventional or old, but we step out of the kingdom, our personal liberty of action becomes qualified by other people's liberty. So we are taking any decision or we are standing in our own place, it is not affecting, there is no any matter. Suppose it is affecting only, that is the matter, that is the confusion. I might like, yes, that is mentioning, our personal liberty of action becomes qualified by other people's liberty. So our liberty should be qualified by others' liberty. I might like to practice on the trombone from midnight till 3 in the morning, if I went on to the top of the Everest to do it, I could please myself. Suppose I want to play the instrument, the trombone. That is a big instrument, it is making a very big sound. Suppose I am going the top of the Everest, it doesn't affect others. So I can enjoy the music in the midnight. I could, if I went on the top of the Everest to do it, I could please myself. But if I do it in my bedroom, my family will object. Suppose I play the same instrument in my bedroom, what happened? It affects my family. So definitely what is that? My family members will object. And if I do it out in the streets, the neighbors will remind me that my liberty to blow the trombone must not interfere with their liberty to speak with God. Suppose I am coming outside to the street. Suppose I am playing the instrument in the midnight. What happened? My neighbors definitely will object it. And then they are controlling me not to play. There are a lot of people in the world, and I have to accommodate my liberty to their liberty. So, in this world, what happened? We are among many people. So, our liberty should be controlled by others' liberty. We are all liable to forget this. Many times, what happened? We forget this. And unfortunately, we are much more conscious of the imperfections of others in this respect them of our own. So many times what happens? We are forgetting our duty. Actually, we are only taking others' imperfection only. We are talking only about others' imperfection. We are forgetting ourselves many times. So that is the problem. A reasonable consideration for the rights or feelings of others is the foundation of social contact. So which is the social contact? Others' feeling and the rights is the foundation of social contact. It is in the small matter of contact, in the observation of the rules of the road, that we pass judgment upon ourselves and declare that we are civilized or uncivilized. Actually, the road rules is this one small example. In this matter only, we are decided. We are civilized or uncivilized. The great moment of heroism or sacrifice or rare. It is the little habit of commonplace intercourse that make up the great sum of life and sweeten or make bitter the journey. Actually, this type of little habit only decides our life whether it is sweetened or bitter. So finally, we have to understand one thing from the lesson. What is that? Our liberty should not affect others' liberty. So that is the lesson. I conclude the lesson here. Liberty is not a personal affair only, but a social contract. Contract means a commitment. So second point, we have to accommodate our liberty to others' liberty. So that is the second point. Third, a reasonable consideration for the rights or feelings of others is the foundation of social contact. So these are the points of the lesson, end of the lesson. Yes, I hope you will see this video and then understand the lesson very properly. Thank you.